Hello, I'm Peter Towers, Managing Director of ESS BizTools. Welcome to Accountants Minute. Challenges for accountants and advisors. Today's Accountants Minute is part of our series on adding value to your clients' businesses. Let's look at some of the challenges that are facing you as professional accountants and advisors in 2016-17. First of all, we've got the regulators. The Australian Taxation Office is making a number of changes, including standard business reporting. These changes are expected to have a significant impact on the amount of revenue earned by the accountancy and tax agents market. The Australian Security Investment Corporation licensing requirements for financial advice and superannuation fund investments are becoming far more pronounced and do affect accountants on an everyday basis. Technology. There's no doubt that digital disruption and software developments by companies like Xero and MYOB and others have all contributed to significant changes in how accounting base information is prepared and is changing the required mix of staff. The market. Outsourcing of some work to overseas countries is being implemented by a growing number of firms every year. This means that those firms have got the advantage of having lower costs for a significant part of their business operations. Small medium enterprises' expectations. In survey after survey over the last 15 years, small medium enterprise operators have indicated they require a wider range of services. And you only have to look at the growth of the coaching and consulting industries to realise that many small medium enterprise operators have already sought advice on business matters from people other than accountants. Competition. There is plenty of competition now for accountancy and advisory services. This is coming from other accountants who have already diversified their business operations to include a significant amount of work other than taxation. And also it includes business advisors, coaches, consultants, etc. Opportunities. There's plenty of opportunities still for accountants in matters like financial planning, but you need a licence issued by ASIC. Superannuation fund advice, but you also need a licence from ASIC. Business advisory services, you don't need a licence for this. And virtual chief financial officer services, no licence needed. Or at least there's no licence needed at this stage. A few years ago there was no need for licences for financial planning or superannuation funds either. How you respond to these challenges will have a significant impact on the type of accountancy advisory business that you're able to operate over the next 2, 3, 5, 10 years. And some of these changes are a lot closer than what you might really think they are. Deloitte produced a very interesting report 3.5 years ago. Digital disruption, short fuse, big bang. And one of the key recommendations that come out of that report was that accountants and advisors needed to develop new revenue streams. What could be included in a new revenue stream for your accountancy business? My suggestion is business advisory services is one area, and another is Virtual Chief Financial Officer service. There's no doubt that the accountancy industry has been put on notice that changes are occurring. And in fact, in the marketplace, some accountancy advisory businesses are already doing this. They don't intend to completely diversify away from income tax. Most of them could never do that because of the cash flow advantages. But for the benefit of clients, their accountancy team, and the future operations of the business, those firms have already decided that it's worth their while to be developing a new revenue streams. Because they fully appreciated that small medium enterprises do require a broader range of commercial services, not just a tax service. Accounting Market Pulse, produced for the Commonwealth Bank in its December 2015 issue, indicated that 2016-17 would be a key year for business advisory services. In fact, they forecasted business advisory services would be the top new product in 2016-17. You know, when I talk to other consultants, coaches, business advisors, company directors, most of those people are amazed that accountants have not grasped this opportunity by both hands and have really made business advisory services and virtual chief financial officer services an accountancy market product. Yet many firms continue with this belief that taxation services are going to be their principal income source for the years ahead. Unfortunately, for those firms, I don't think that's correct. There's no doubt that you will continue to be doing a significant amount of income tax. But my prediction is that the firm of the future will have an income source from taxation of around 60% of fees, and the balance will come from products such as business advisory services and virtual chief financial officer services. Remember, you don't need a special license at this stage for business advisory services or virtual chief financial officer services. This is an opportunity for you to really create new revenue streams. Don't wait until it's too late. Think about it now. Have a look at the products that are available in the marketplace. And I'm quite happy to talk to you about the services that are offered by ESS BizTools, ESS BizGrants, and ESS BASIP. Have a great day. Goodbye.